Good morning, welcome back to a 6 of the bus video. Now, we're in the middle of Storm Amy. We're not too bad, it's just very windy, but with the sun now becoming a lot less out during the day, we're taking a lot less power on the solar panels on the green bus. So, the system we put in, it's been in now 4 years. Obviously, the solar panels are like old gen solar panels. Our solar controller is a very cheap one off eBay. So we're going to run down to SplitCharge and we're going to make some adjustments to the power setup on this bus. We're not investing any money in it because obviously all of that's going into this one, and also you know what power system we're building in that. But for this one, we're going to put a new controller in that we've got, that we're using for the purple one, but we don't need it for the minute, so we're going to put it into this one. And Sam and the team down there just going to have a quick look at all the setup, make sure it's all safe, do a bit of a safety electrical check, and just make some adjustments to try and give us a little bit more power so we ain't got to worry as much in the winter. Now, it's very windy. Nicole is just emptying the shoes out the boot from the back of this one. So we need to empty the back of this. When we get down to SplitCharge, we can just get into the electrical system and show Sam the nest of wires which congregate in this one. It's a bit mad, isn't it?
And our fuse board.
And our fuse board. So let's empty this out. And obviously we'll take you on the journey of getting sorted. These litres just gone. It's Baltic this morning. But we shall get there. We just need to get the rest of this stuff out. So obviously we get asked a lot what's in this cupboard at the back. So we've got our electrical cupboard, which has got our charger in, all our electrics. Our lead acids, yes, we are using lead acids, 4 of them down there in that cupboard. And our solar controller is just down in that corner there with the umbrella. Not pretty, lots of cables. So lots of things to learn for the new one. But if we can make some adjustments to this and get a little bit more power, that'd be great. Morning, Luna! Say it loudly because the engine's noisy.
Good morning!
Where are we going to?
SplitCharge.
Off to SplitCharge. So we've got the bus ready. Just letting it warm up. Nicole move van. Oh, nice little rainbow there. And we'll get the bus ready to get down there and look at the electrical system. I think this is the solar controller we're putting on. So we'll put that on. Dave's still here, so he's going to give us a follow down as well with his big on. Get stuck at every red light on this roundabout. SplitCharge is only about a 5-minute drive from where we're based. Good. So we've just got down to SplitCharge. Now, their unit is on a massive steep hill. They've got some ramps coming, but I need to try and get the bus down there. Now, you can't really see the distance down on it. So we'll get the camera on it and see how far we can get in before we ground out. Are you going to film for me, Phoebe? She's off with her friends today, so I've only got her for a couple of minutes. But let's get going. content.
You don't look like guys.
Down before Sam gets his ramps. We're using boards. That's what a low rider looks like though.
Really?
Proper low. So we're putting some boards underneath, see if is it enough just to put it up and get it in.
Can this come out?
Yeah, it's just dead.
That's positive. That's obviously not fused or all that.
No, it's melted out. So
It's
Sam's just looking in my electrical cupboard.
It's just on positive buzz bar.
He said it's not too bad. He's going to do a bit of tidying up, and we're going to maybe look at changing the solar panels into a bank of one to give us more voltage, which will then put more power into the batteries.
I mean, it starts and finishes a bit earlier and later.
Which is a bit more.
Squeeze a bit more out of it.
Squeeze a bit more. He's saying it's not too bad though, which is always a positive.
I've seen worse.
He's seen worse.
I'm going to ring DHL.
I ordered mine.
I missed the first collection, didn't I? Can we get him in time?
Yeah. So we just finished a split charge. Sam's very kindly changed all our panels now into series.
Yeah.
I mean, I'll put 120 amps rather than 60. Volts. I'll get it right one day. We'll see how that goes for a couple of days, see if we've got any more power. We're just packing up. We're going to go to Morrison's, get some food. Then we'll go do some more stuff on the Purple Turd. If it's still light, we'll try and do something. We'll see. So let's go and get into Morrison's and get his tea sorted. Don't crash, Luna.
Well, then up on this. Up on this, isn't it? Oh, you don't?
So now we've got daylight back in the bus. We're going to start insulating these two windows, which will be getting blocked off. We've got some high temperature glue. We're going to insulate them in, take these bottom boards off because we're replacing them, and then we can start applying them in and blocking them in so we can start building bed frames out, etc., into that space. So let's see how we get on. Poppy's just getting the installation out we need. Oh, you got stuck, Pops?
Yeah.
Go on then, pass that. Go on then, pass it over. We've got one row left, haven't we?
This is hard.
That's one row, that. That should be enough to do the 4 windows. Pass it here, see if I can pull it. Oh, well done, Pops. That's it. This is a full unopened one. Yeah. We've got that there. And then we've got this little bit up here. Hello, Luna.
Go!
Stop.
Alright, she's trying.
So we're now insulated and boarded up one side of the bus. We've got 18mm wolves that are going in between each bedroom and obviously at the end. So we've just got 2 bits of 9mm together so we can mark on exactly where this sits before we start laying sort of bed bits under.
Right, you just need to pen that.
So we just nipped out because Arctic Fox, this one is going down to SplitCharge to have his 48-volt system fitted tomorrow. So we'll get the truck down there. Absolute beast. Makes the bus look small. Though I do like the roof rack. He's huge. So we're trying now with Arctic Fox to get him in today. Oh yeah, loads of room. Bit of left hand down. So these walls are all in. We've got his first bed frame sorted. While everyone's out, we're gonna have a go and put these frames in this side, getting these off and making some more frames. So this evening we can then get the frames fitted. Just going to be brought a tool to do the 90-degree and straight up into the frame. So next up we'll put the glue on here, get the insulation in, and then start making some frames. We've got the lights up. Bed frames, we're just now going to put 3 slats in each one.
Yeah.
Just to frame them out a little bit better. They're all square. Both sides are now bordered. So get these in, see how we're looking. So we've braced the frames in the middle where the kids are going to get in and out. Because they're not going to be jumping at the ends, these are going to be made into pods. So we've got a 90-degree angle adjuster for the impact driver. We're using existing rails to drill up into them and hold them in. What's that game you have to sit on the spots?
What's yours?
Twister. Go on then, Luna.
Wait. Let's just
Beef that one up a bit. Obviously this is not how we're going to leave them. This is just Luna testing because she's desperate to test. Go on then. Let her sit on.
I'm gonna lay on.
You're going to lay on.
Oh, it's more than big enough for you, that bit. Want a blanket as well?
Yeah.
That's where you're sleeping tonight now.
Yeah, I'm alright. You get my mattress.
Oh, you want a mattress? You're not getting them. Always YouTube will think we're being too nice to you.
My back hurts.
It will do on that wood.